Um, we want to do whatever is most comfortable. Yeah, there's lots of little exercises like this that are supporting, that are counter vortex experiences. That's our SE term for that. In other words, they are experiences, recalling experiences that are good, where our systems are kind of working more optimally. When you think about it in a way, it's kind of the exact opposite of the trauma, right? Where things maybe feel very negative and overwhelming, etc. This is kind of the opposite, where things are feeling good and moving in the right direction and a bit more optimal. Another exercise that can help evoke that is recalling a time when you felt most like yourself or the self you'd like to be. So before we start that exercise, just take a moment to again feel yourself connected to the chair and the floor, noticing inside how you are in this moment. And then allow your mind to just sort of float to a time, maybe in the last 24 hours even, where you were felt most like yourself or the self you want to be. Now, if the last 24 hours nothing's coming to mind, just allow that time frame to extend. Just going to a time when you felt most like yourself or the self you want to be. And as you think of that time, I invite you to really take that in a felt sense way. So remember kind of with your five senses. What you were hearing, what you were feeling on your skin and on your body, maybe even inside, what you were smelling. Just notice all of those aspects and just notice how that shows up now in this moment as you recall the event in this more visceral way. Just recalling the self that you most want to be. As you notice that, again, now just check inside and notice how you're feeling overall in this moment. Is it exactly like before we started the exercise, or is it slightly different? And as you notice that, just know that you can use this little exercise at any time that you want to feel more like yourself or the self you want to be, kind of helping your system to settle into that.